Here are 4 air drying chambers from different suppliers and of different quality. First, air drying chamber made in China are all the same size. The quality of a drying chamber is mainly judged by 2 points: filter particles and filter paper. Generally, the similar and denser the filter particles, the faster and better the water filtration. The more and thicker the filter paper, the better the oil filtration. This is an air drying chamber from another supplier. The filter particles are very small, but it can only filter water, cannot filter oil. This is the original air drying chamber. The filter particles are a mixture of large and small size, allowing it to filter both water and oil at the same time.